Hi folks, how are you today? Nice to see you again. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to talk about my NL4. This is a 130 micron diamond lapping plate that I designed for flattening coarse grit stones. So this is really, it's got a big diamond in it. It's 130 micron diamond. And it's really designed for ceramic stones between 200 grit and 2000 grit. After 2000 grit, it'll start to be pretty deep scratches in a fine stone. So it's also really good for our diamond resin. And the thing with the diamond resin is that you really need to kick the diamonds out of the resin. You can't really flatten the diamond. You have to kind of scratch at it and kick it out in order to flatten and mostly clean. What you're really doing is cleaning the diamond resin. So it's really designed for both of these two products. And one of the key aspects of my design are these sort of chevron, raised chevron style patterns. And the reason for that is so the slurry has a way to get out of the way, and the edges of these chevrons are what really do most of the work. So when you're actually flattening with it, by having it open out along the edges, the slurry can get out of the way, and you get absolutely no stiction. You wouldn't get any stiction with the diamond resin, but you would with the ceramic if this were a smooth contiguous surface like other diamond plates. So a flat diamond plate is really not the best thing for flattening your ceramic water stones. And the other thing this works really well for is chamfering. You can hear it, you know? It just chamfers really nicely right in there. And chamfering is really important. It keeps your stones from chipping, and especially with the ceramics, it's important to chamfer while you're working with the plate. So this is my NL4, and if you have any questions, contact me on Instagram, Facebook, right directly on our website. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Have a good day.